Isencane yethu beka. Hi guys. Hi. Guys, today is a Thursday. Today is a Thursday and I just posted my vlog. And I am so lazy to do it. Okay, I am starting a vlog now, right? But I'm lazy to post a vlog on Sunday. I wanted to do a sit down. But now I feel like if I do a sit down video, questions are all gonna be about my baby daddy. Yo, questions like a lot of people were like, can we please have a sit down video? Can you please have a sit down video? And guys, when I started my channel, someone advised me to do sit down videos. I've shared this story. It's actually a Sabi, right? She sent it to me on Instagram. And I shared my story about my baby daddy, Luban's daddy. Guys, I'm sorry for not focusing on you. I get a week China and I'm going because it's literally my to-go week. I told you guys my to-go week. I gave it to my cousin. So she said, girl, do story times. Sana, and I don't even wanna lie, those story times, they helped. Like, I got the watch time so fast, you know. I just started my channel. Watch time sky high. Got my 4,000. My channel was monetized. I was like, hey, story times, Gandhi, Anje, you know. But the reason also I stopped story times, I realized that every time when I post vlogs, they don't do well. So I'm like, oh no. This is not the reason why I started my channel. My channel is for vlogs. And now if I continue with story times, it's not my niche, you know. That is just not the reason why I started this channel. This channel is for vlogs and I don't want people coming here when I don't post a story, they don't watch, then my vlogs don't do well. You know, they don't perform well. That's what was happening. And I was like, I'm not going to do story times ever again. Like, I'm done with story times. You know, apart from people having their own opinions about your life, you know, your past life even. Because it's not what is currently happening. People will have opinions about your past life. But I realized they are supposed to have opinions because I'm the one who's posting about it. I'm the one who's putting it out there for them to say whatever they want to say. But mostly it was just because I was like, no man, I'm a vlogs one, they're not performing well. I don't even know if people who subscribed on my channel because of my story times are still here. I don't know if they're still watching, and I really don't want that. But sometimes here and there when I'm tired of vlogs, I'm like, can't I just do a sit down? You know, when I'm tired, I'm always thinking, can't I just do a sit down video? But now with this one, I know what I'm gonna say. Guys, can you please ask me questions? And a lot of people on my previous vlogs with my baby daddy, people were like, can you please do a sit down video? Can you please do a sit down video? That's when I'm like, most people are interested in knowing probably where I met him and do I want to talk about those things? I don't think so. I've said to you guys 1,000 times, there's just a whole lot of things that wait, there's just a whole lot of things. There's just a whole lot of things that you guys don't know about me, and I'm okay with keeping some of the things private. Honestly, there's no way I'm going to be posting everything on social media. And if I sit down and explain and answer your questions with regards to my baby daddy, then I'm like, now, you know what happens when I post omunye baby daddy okusho ukuthi mina njalo ngizohlala ngizochaza all the time I'm gonna come here and explain. I was like, no, I'm not gonna do this. I am really not gonna do this, because if I start doing it, that will mean every time when there's something I've never shared about here and I decide to share about it and you guys are curious, kusho ukuthi mina I must come back and answer. We can't live like that. I can't do that, you know, I can't. So yeah guys, I know people are wondering, where did you meet Mr. Americana? I met him here in South Africa, guys. I met him here in SA. And then
Mom,
so
hi.
guys, let's go. Welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Ongezwa. If you've been here, thank you so much for the love and support. But you can call me City Mom, because I am a mother of 3 handsome boys. So yeah, let's start this vlog. I'm actually going to fetch Amapinifa and send him out. He is finally done. As much as I've started this vlog, I'm literally starting it. I'll see if I want to do the sit down video or I continue with the vlog. Or let me do the vlog and then you guys tell me on the comment section if we should do a sit down for Wednesday, because I post twice a week. So we can do a sit down for Wednesday and I continue with vlog. So let me just continue with this vlog. You guys tell me. But also if I can see that the questions are too much, yeah, well, I really don't want to answer these questions, I won't do the sit down. But if they are cute, because some people don't know how to keep it cute. You know, some people really don't know how to keep it cute. Not that we are forced to answer, but some questions, they make you don't want to ever do a sit down video. But if they're cute, I don't mind answering and giving you guys some information, or not necessarily information, just to ease the curiosity that you guys have, right? Okay, cool, let me go. I wanted to say hi. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Please subscribe to my channel.
Please subscribe to my channel.
Please subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, I'm gonna put his channel here, his handle. Please, let's get him to 1,000 and get his channel monetized so that he can start making money for himself. I'm gonna put his channel somewhere here guys on the side, and please if you're new here, Lubanzi has his own channel that I'm trying to push, that I really don't post because I am that busy. His channel, my channel, I'm trying to grow on all my social media platforms, and then now I just started a new channel, and then now I started selling pinifers, and like there's a lot going on in one. But please subscribe and just watch. Don't watch the videos on mute. Apparently that thing doesn't help. But if volume is too loud, like obviously you don't want to listen to him because he's not talking, he's not doing anything, he's just moving around the house, whatever, so that he can get the watch time that he needs. I monetize that channel. And yeah, let's go guys. Bye. I'm done guys. I also need to go to MTN. I need to go to MTN to fix the phone that Augustus that gave me. I can receive calls, but I can't make calls going out, and I've been trying to set it up in Amaya. Problems amancane, I don't know why, but I'm gonna go there. So yeah, this is me. I'm wearing this LV pink slide, this bag, this dress. This is how we look, and then there's Ulubanzi. Guys, let's go. Get in Ambon. He sits at the back. He knows. Come. Please. Come, Nana. Come, sit here so you can put your seatbelt. Lubanzi. Ngifuna abantu abangithethisayo bangithethise kahle. Besazi ukuthi ngisuke ngizamile. Lubanzi.
No, wait.
Where is this thing? So right. Wait. Konje yiphi esebenzayo? Oh, this one. Okay. Siyenze kanje. So that you are comfortable. You see? We clip it, he takes it out. Nyambo? Bukani isandla sakhe sikuphi? Okay, let's go. Anazi Lubanzi nina. Oh God. Konje this dress is very, very long. Azi mangithi uLubanzi animazi kahle. Nizombona. Guys, asikakasuki nanokusuka. Can you see? We haven't even moved. Oh, guys. Ukhalelani Lubanzi? Ukhalelani? Seatbelt ke olubanzi iyabaluma. Guys, I hope you guys can see what I'm going through. I need to buy that let me close these windows so that you guys can hear me. I need to buy the seater that you guys are telling me to buy. So kupali shebeleng the ads. Please watch the ads, guys.
We love TV.
I wanna imagine he took out. Oh. But I'm glad some mothers understand, guys. At this point, sihamba noNkulunkulu. We are with God. God is with us when we are driving. Yeah. God is with us when we are driving because at this point, Sana. Let me go, guys, and run my errands. I shall catch up with you later. Because wow. Oh, yabona leyo ni wiki shem. No, iyashisa. Guys, I'm a week ayashisa. I'm not a fan of wigs. They're too hot. But yeah, I can think so. That's my other phone. Someone asked me how much space I am buying. I'm not currently buying space because I'm using the phone that my baby daddy gave to me, so it has ample space. Because I'm only using it for vlogs, and then when I fix the MTN number, I'm gonna put it on my social media so that when you want to order, you find my number there. So it's just for business, so it has a lot of space. So yeah, let me drive. Bye. Hi guys, I can't show you the pinifers at dining room. Guys, if you've been here, I've always complained about this place not having natural light like my previous apartment because of where it's facing. It was better when I didn't put the curtains because obviously there were no curtains, so there was a little bit of light, so I could still do my vlogs that side. I'm gonna use this bedroom, but what I don't like about this bedroom, there's echo, and if I go to the balcony, it's windy, you guys might not hear me, so we're just gonna make this one quick. Okay, the reason this pinifa is big, the reason it's big, it's not mine, it's someone's order, right? So it's not my size. When I advertise pinifers, you know guys, I make them my size so that it obviously looks nice on me, and then someone buys and then I make them according to their size. So this one is not my size. The person has big breasts, so hence the pinifer kind of looks funny because it's not mine, but I want to show it anyway so that if there's someone who likes this design, you can still put your orders sharp. So I've advertised this material before, but I made a dress. So this time around I was like, you know what, let me make a pinifer straight nje pinifer with this material. So if you liked this material then with the dress, but you didn't like the dress, the material, I still have it, but yeah, there it is, guys. It is so big. It is so big, Sana. Where's the Landoni? But yeah, I love it. Love. And then I'm but anyway, guys, this is how the pinifer looks like. Now I need to go outside because I need to post on my TikTok and on my Facebook page. If you're new here, please follow my page where I advertise these pinifers and other things that I sell. Let me show you what I was saying. I want pinifers that you can wear emcimbini. Rock up, fake ibhegi yakho enhle, put your LV slides, and I hope you guys, you're getting the idea, you know? Ungabi ipinifa, let it not be a pinifa lokuthi now you can't, you know, you just have to be in the pots when you're wearing that pinifa. I don't want that. I want something that, you know, you still look like a lady but ugqoke pinifa at the same time. Because guys, can you see? Lana, I feel like he tried, but also I'm the one who sent these designs because I'm the one who's finding these designs on social media, and I'm like, can you just make this, you know? It's a dress, but it's a pinifa, because if you know a pinifa, then you know a pinifa. Like, a pinifa will always be a pinifa. But let it be a pinifa that you still look... I hope I'm making sense. Like, personally, I can even go to town looking like this. Yeah, bo? I don't see anything wrong with this. I feel like this is nice. This is better. But guys, let me continue and go to pinifer number 2. Let's see. Bye, ibhegi yakho sana. Bye, LV yakho, baby. You know? Ube ngula girl. Yabo? Ube ngula girl. Nje, ube cute, man. Siphi ipokoto? Nani ipokoto? Oh, Nkosi yami, yazi ngine. Ake ngeke stress kuzolunga. Yabo? And sibe ngomama. Kaloku na guys, bomama. Hence I'm selling pinifers. I'm a mother. Funeka sibe ngomama abahloniphekileyo. You know? Sibe ngomama abahloniphekileyo. So we're getting somewhere. Bye guys. I am definitely in the season of trusting God. I am definitely in a season of praying to God for his hand to be upon my businesses, and also bring me customers, and also bring me people who will help me to like the coolest business and take it to the next level and stuff like that. And I feel like that's what is currently happening, because there's a lady who did hit me up on Instagram and said, I can work with you, I can help you. I was watching your vlog, and yeah, so guys, when we pray, we're not only praying for customers, but we're praying for God to connect us with people who will help us grow our businesses. And you know, we pray for a whole lot of things, and right now I can see that it is currently happening. Oh guys, I'm even laughing at myself. The way these pinifers are so big. At this point, Can you? This is the second pinifa, the pink one and this one there for this other lady. So I wanted to show you guys, but how are you gonna see that the pinifa is nice when I look like a clown? Because these pinifas are big. Like, they are so big, and I want to show you guys the design, but Sana, what's happening? I'm not like this. I'm definitely not the size. Oh, darling, mamela, Dizio yami kete wena, uyisithanda, sempilo yami. Uthanda wena, na 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 na. Guys, I couldn't think inside. That's what I couldn't think inside. And I thought I was going to show you guys all the pinifas. And to be honest, all the pinifas, they're not my size. So I might as well stop, continue doing my size of a pinifa and advertise, because the nonsense and inside. So what I'm going to do, so what I usually do, I take pinifas, wash them, to remove his stash, like the material, these on the stash, yona leyo. I wash it, maselomile, gilayine, gilpeke, bese ngiyayiphosa. So she needs them before passing, because she's going a pass again. So I still have time. I'm gonna wash them now. Then I'm gonna send them out tomorrow. So yeah. Usencane yethu wena, usencane ufuna ukugana futhi, usencane we, usencane ufuna ukugana futhi, usencane we, usencane ufuna ukugana futhi, usencane we. Bye guys. Yabona emhlabeni uthando lunje nalutholakali, but ukuthandwa nguwe dala kuyona mistake. Ukuthandwa nguwe da, ukuthandwa nguwe da, oh mala. Guys, thengana amaphinifa nibe bahle, nibe omama hloniphe. Ha? Nibe omama abahloniphekileyo, hloniphekileyo. Nibe omama abahloniphekileyo endaweni. Thengani amaphinifa. Yabona. Guys, I'm sure ngabe umfazi omuhle kodwa I'm definitely gonna be a very, very beautiful wife. Andimdala ngelo xesha andingakabi ngumfazi nangoku. Yho, hayi kulate sana jonga. Nali ke ipinifa bodzol. Nali ipinifa boswiri. Nali ipinifa bodzol. Oh my. Guys, this is someone's dress. It is so big, and I was just going through other people's orders. I'm like, I am done with this big pinifas, but this is a dress and I want to show you guys. Please don't laugh. I know it's big, but I just want to show you guys so that if you like it and you like this material, so that you can order it as well, right? That's why I'm showing you guys. Okay. Guys, I decided to just come here, use the tripod. So this is okay, this is the dress. But obviously guys, it's big. Yeah, watch it. Let me try this. Maybe you guys are gonna see it better. Let me try making it my size. No? Let me try making it my size. Guys, can you see how big this dress is? This is how it looks at the back. Let me come closer. This is how it looks at the back. Right? And this is how it looks in front. Had it been my size, this was gonna make sense. But this is someone's dress. So I'm gonna put it in the not microwave, in the washing machine with the other things that I'm washing. It also has pockets. Oh, how can I forget? It also has pockets, guys. Also has pockets. So yeah, need to wash them, iron, pack them, send to the customers. Thank you for trusting me with your monies. Kulungile, goodbye. Also, if you want a pinnifer with this material, I can, yeah, just that Diana, she said she wants a dress, not a pinnifer. Hence the dress. Bye guys. Hey guys, yes, I didn't want to post this vlog. Even yesterday, I posted on Instagram that, guys, I have a vlog for Wednesday, but I'm not happy about it. I really don't like it. I was thinking of deleting everything that I've shot this couple of days and just do a sit-down video, because I was like, I really don't like this video. And now that I'm editing, I'm like, what is it that I don't like about this video? Because yeah, I know I've complained about sometimes getting bored of my own vlogs because they're so repetitive. And I also ask myself, if I'm saying my vlogs are repetitive, am I not sharing part of my lives which are repetitive? These are the things that I do every day. This is my daily life. Like, what is it that you want? So I was telling this other lady that I talked to on Instagram, I think I'm a vlogs spoilile because I enjoyed those vlogs so much, and now like they were so interesting for me, and I just feel like I'm back to regular programming. Nothing interesting. Nothing interesting about this life of mine. But yeah, I'm currently editing this vlog, and I'm like, you know what, Ogezwa, go get over yourself and just continue posting, because at this point there's nothing I can do. And I I was 5-2 to deleting all the footage that I took and just, I don't know, start a new vlog, you know. And I'm like, but starting a new vlog as well, is there something interesting that you're gonna be doing in that new vlog, since you want to delete this one, like these clips that you've already took? Like, yo guys, being a content creator, sometimes you're just on your feelings. You just on your feelings about your content. You just on your feelings about everything that is happening in your life, and then you take it out of, like, Nje, I was just on my feelings. And yeah, but we have a vlog, so here, guys. Hi guys. Hi. Why not? Guys, can you all see me? Hi guys. Hi. Welcome back. You're welcome, Nana. Please go that side. You're welcome, baby. Hey guys, we're saying welcome back to another day of this vlog. Today is a Sunday, right? And I didn't post a vlog today because, guys, when I checked the vlog that I posted, it was on Thursday. Literally 2 days. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Is it 2 days or 3 days back? So I was like, no, it's fine. It's fine. Gizo poster. Mommy is busy, Nana. Please go there. We're gonna play Ebola now. So I was like, no, it's fine. I'm not gonna post today because I mean, it's when I check on my thingy, it's still written 2 days back, so it's still fine. There's a poster Sunday, not Sunday, Wednesday. So now I am cooking. I woke up. I went to Pick and Pay because they didn't. I don't know what was happening. I tried ordering izinto for a delivery, baba, for ukuthi ba deliver endlini, and the app was just not doing the things. I don't know why. So we woke up, sagqoka, sahamba saya Pick and Pay, and now I want to cook, but I don't want to cook with you guys as well because I'm so hungry. I'm craving like a full meal. I haven't eaten anything, guys, and it's 13 past 13 right now, and I haven't like had anything. And because I want a full meal, a full meal. Nothing else. I don't want bread. I've just had my green tea. I don't want anything else. Guys, because I haven't had like in a very long time. I haven't been cooking. So what? So I'm done with the rice now, and then we're gonna go eat chicken curry, chicken stew. Guys.
Mom,
Yeah.
I broke your car.
Yes, you broke your car. So take another one. Go take another one. So yeah, I'm saying, guys, I'm craving ukutya okuphekweyo, and I don't wanna cook with you guys because if I shoot and cook, it's gonna take forever, guys. Shooting and doing something, like sometimes when you wanna cook, not cook, like when you wanna clean, like proper cleaning, you're doing like spring cleaning. Mina, I don't know about other YouTubers. Mina, I can't. If I'm cleaning and I'm shooting, then I'm just doing the, you know, the basic cleaning, like here in front of you. But if I want to clean, move couches, move things, I cannot do it while I'm shooting. Or it's gonna take me 5 hours for an hour or 2, which is why oh baby, but mommy's busy. Yo, but anyway, guys, as in, have kids, they say. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are enjoying your Sunday. I'm currently watching Unolu, but I had to lower the volume because I wanna do this. I'm gonna buy you another car. Check if I pa. So I'm currently watching vlogs now, but I also wanna cook and but sure, guys, let's catch up some other time. Because right now I'm hungry and I don't even know what I'm saying. But yeah, bye. Lubanzi uzomosha yonke la. Wenze njani manje? Sorry. man ngiyafika.
Christina,
Ngiqalekile la.
isesandleni baleka. Sekekile.
Udlile but. Uyamazi ukubanza ngayidlela ngayidlela.
Why don't you say thank you?
Ntoni? Ungamniki isoliso ubazi begabhinyo. If ushukela nje lento. Ungamniki.
Simkhombisile nje.
Akazuyidla vele.
Yeza yeza. Sure.
Aniphathanga newayini.
Hey, mina ngiphuza. So uthanda.
Uyekile.
Okwamanje.
Oh, for one day.
Hayi.
For one day.
So isimanje.
Unamanga. Asuka. Thatha. Thatha. Uzidalela nje ngami. Oh! Good morning, guys. Hi. Welcome back to another day of this vlog. Guys, today is a Monday.
In 500 meters, turn right
It's-
onto Malibongwe Drive.
It's a Monday, the 14th of April. I'm currently going to pick up. I made pancakes for a friend of mine. Bewi birthday yakhe on the 13th. Tell me why when I made the order, I thought that the 13th of April is
Turn right onto
is
Malibongwe
today
Drive.
on Monday. Right? So mangithi I don't know ukuthi kwenzakaleni, and I was like, hayibo, the 13th is actually on Sunday, and sekulate ke manje. It's late. I can't now call and say, guys, can I please have amakeke, not pancakes, can I have amakeke on Sunday, because the lady doesn't work ngama
Turn
weekends.
left onto Boundary Road.
Lady doesn't work ngama weekends, so I made a mess. The birthday was yesterday, and unfortunately they don't work weekends, and there's nothing abazoyenza nami, there's nothing I can do at this point. Imagine giving someone a gift on the following day, but it's not that bad. I mean, it's literally the following day, and people usually celebrate birthdays like the whole month. So
1 kilometer, turn left onto Boundary Road.
at this point, I'm feeling nothing as to do as I call it thing is sure, but I made a mistake. Tell me why I didn't check the date properly when I made that order. Because I made the order early enough for me to have it on time. You know, I paid early enough for me to have it on time. But I didn't check the date. I was like, the 13th, okay, Monday. Ndaphuma kuyona. Ndathi ndiwacela Monday. So anyway, guys, at this point I also feel like I must just edit this vlog when I come back and post it, because if I keep dragging it, Sana, I might not have a vlog on Sunday. Also, I want to go back to my normal posting days, which is Wednesday and Sunday. I know last week I posted on Thursday, and I just don't like it when I just throw in a vlog whenever. Like, I need people to go back to that thing.
Turn left onto Boundary Road.
Okay,
Then
definitely.
turn left onto Spaankop
Definitely on Wednesday we have a vlog. Definitely on Sunday we have a vlog. I want to go back to that. So, yeah. This is going to be the last part. I'm doing this mess that I'm doing. And then on Sunday we go back to normal. Okay? Let's pick up the cakes and drop them. Umnikazi wawo. And we continue with life, and we continue with our day. I'm wearing my gym clothes because I want to...
Turn left onto Spaankop Avenue. Then take the first left onto Pearly
Is it this
Street.
one? Guys, I'm using the GPS. I'm wearing my gym clothes so that I can just, when I get back to the house, gym, because I haven't been exercising. When I started, when I wanted to go back to exercising, my monthly visits came and then I had to stop.
Turn left onto Pearly Street. Then the destination is on your
Oh,
right.
she has moved. She did say she has moved to a new place. This is a new place. Actually, it's not far from my place, like 9 minutes. Okay, guys. Kulungile, bye. Guys, this is a new place, but now, am I in the right place? I am. But it says I am in the right place. Unjani, Bab? I think I'm in the right place, ne? Ungisendele code. Do I need a code to get la? Yeah, cake. Cake. Song reverse.
Ngidwe K13.
Yeah, my cake. La, dayisa khona obhaka ama cake.
Yeah, K13.
Okay. So right la.
Yeah,
Oh, phone license. Okay. Oh. It all comes down to love.
Proceed to the route. Arrived.
Kuthiwe block K. I haven't arrived. I haven't. Chill, my guy, chill. I've been here to buy Nigerian food. I've been here before. I've been here. I remember this place. K13. Where, Jess? You already know where I do my cakes now. They just changed they're in a new location, but it's still the same place. So yeah. Anyway, hi guys. I don't want to open them here because I don't know if it's overlegal, but here are the cupcakes. I chose red, and obviously it says happy birthday, his car, and 13th Raptor. Yabo. Also, his car is red. So, yeah. Happy birthday, friend. If you're watching this, happy birthday. I think it's belated now. But anyway, Sana, they're so yummy. They look yummy. Oh, sabawel. But yeah, let's go drop them and we continue with life, get dolls. Hi guys. Guys, I'm back home. I've dropped the cakes. So now I want to take off this bra. This is my gym clothes, right? I went out wearing them already. So guys, I'm laughing. The other day I was wearing this. I wanted to wear this when my mom was here. I took my bath sharp and I put on the set. I don't know where we were going. And then my mom was like, you look naked. Are you gonna go out wearing like this? I'm like, yeah, it isn't those a gym, so I usually wear them well and put my nails. And my mom was like, no. So I went and she's like, no, the set is nice. Just put a t-shirt on top of this. So I put a t-shirt, right? My City Mom t-shirts. I put a t-shirt, and these things, the arms, they're showing. Yeah, well, and my son comes, the first one. He's like, why are you wearing like this? I'm like, what do you mean? Auntie, Ma, please stop looking like a village girl. Why are you wearing a t-shirt on top of a t-shirt? Like, what's happening? You usually wear this set on its own. What's happening? Why do you look like this? What's happening? I'm like, no, but my mom, your grandma, just said I don't look nice, so I need to change. She said you don't look nice. Yeah, she said I look naked, so I need to put a t-shirt on top. No, please. Now my mom and my son, they are going back and forth. So, no, she looks like it. No, but this doesn't look nice. Ngabashiya kanjalo, I went and I changed the whole set. I was like, you know what, let me change this outfit because iyakhulumisa.
No.
So that's why I'm laughing, because I'm thinking if my mom sees this, well, it's fine because I'm in the house. But if I go outside wearing like this, my mom will freak out. But you look naked. Go put on some clothes. So anyway, guys, I quickly want to take off this bra. It's bra wam okuswenga. Ibizwa ngani lento? I want to take off this bra so I can put on my sport bra, my gym bra, because this one is uncomfortable. It's not for exercising. So that's what I want to do. Exercise. Guys, another thing that I wanted to say, you saw China. I are trend. Chinese are trending. Chinese are trending. Chinese are dropping files. Chinese are saying, whether you buy that bag for 50,000, we are the one who made it. Guys, please support my friend. Please support Mrs. Ndosh, the lady that I always promote her things here. Her quality, AAA grade. Guys, if you're on TikTok, you know what I'm talking about. Guys, my friend is telling me. My friend, show me.
Papa.
Sana. Guys, I was saying I'm done gymming. I'm done with exercise. I need to shower again. Thank God I didn't bath. Lubanzi. Thank God I didn't bath Lubanzi in the morning when I was going to pick up my cake. I only took shower Mina because I wanted us to fast. So now I'm gonna bath with him because there is no way I'm gonna stay like this until I take my evening shower. Hi guys. Hi guys. Today is a Tuesday. Today is a Tuesday, and I am currently at Tando's offices. I'm outside Tando's offices. I'm waiting for her. And then I go back to the house. Guys, I'm wearing this jacket. I bought this jacket from Dunusa. I don't know if you guys know a place called Dunusa in town, Johannesburg town, CBD. I don't know if you guys know it, eh? But there's a place in Johannesburg town, CBD. It's called Dunusa, where they sell impahla ezindala wethu zabantu baphesheya. So I bought this jacket. And today I was like, it's a bit windy outside. Now let me go in my jacket and go, because I'm currently meeting Utando, and then I go back to the house. I'm supposed to actually go to MTN to fix this phone so that I can receive calls. I haven't went there because every time when I'm out ending, I run my errands and then I forget them because I don't write them down. So today is a Tuesday, and I am thinking, let me get back home, edit this vlog, post it tomorrow on Wednesday, so that my life is normal. It goes back to, so that I just go back to my normal days of posting, which is Wednesday and Sunday. So I'm definitely gonna post this tomorrow, and at this point I might as well close. Guys, I've been trying to talk about this thing, and Lubanzi keeps disturbing me about what is currently happening. TikTok, China. Guys, China ati yiwo awenza 80%. They are the ones who are doing these brands, these Gucci's, Louis Vuitton. Ngithi guys, thina kudala sazinxiba impahla zikaNtosh. Kudala saziphatha impahla zikaNtosh thina. Thina kudala guys nawa. Dala sawaphatha ama-LV kantoshi. Dala sawaphatha ama-LV asema-Chinese. Okay, it's just my neighbor. Kudala. But guys, if you've been here, you know Guti, I was advertising this for who. I am not here to advertise, but I'm here to say Pata Gandosh Dala Sabanazo. So ama-China asikhululile guys, sizozinxiba i-replicas zethu with confidence. Wenzani? Sizonxiba i-replicas zethu with confidence, knowing ukuthi they are all made in China. Zonke bonke, they are all made in China. Even if you paid 50,000, it was made in China. Zonke. Azasikhulula ama-China. Yo! Azasikhulula ama-China, guys. What a time to be alive. Yo. Bafethu. Oh, guys. No, guys, I don't think, even if I had the money, ne? I don't think I was going to be the person who takes so much money and spend it on brands. I'm not that person. Even if I was filthy rich, I don't think I would. For me, it just doesn't make financial sense to take so much money and but apparently it's an investment. Apparently these things, you can sell them back and get more money when you sell them back. And I guess which is the information that some of us didn't know about it, and hence it just doesn't make sense. Why am I wearing something for 50,000? Make it make sense. Impahla, guys. Impahla, clothes. One item, 50,000. Why? It could never be me. I would rather have 10 houses or I don't know, like how, guys. It could never be me. Even if uNkulunkulu ngathiwa uyandipha imali. Hawu. But I don't know, mina vele ngiyaphapha, mina ngithanda izinto. Mhlambe nje imali maseyiningi. Galo. Imali say galo mhlambe ke, I don't know, but sitting where I am right now, even if ngaba nemali, I don't see myself doing that. Yo. Guys, zinhle into zakhona, they're very nice, but it's not worth me taking 30,000, 20,000, 100,000. We're taking it bag. Guys, angxaki zabantu azifani. Another thing, people's problems are not the same. Because give me 100,000 now, I'll be thinking of finishing my son's school fees. Yeah, guys, I am yapping because I am waiting for Uthando. Sana and Rafig. But sengimsendele a message that I'm outside so she can come. That's why I am yapping. But guys, please tell me, what do you guys think about this thing of What do you think about this thing of Chinese exposing these people ukuthi kahle nina ningazosichomela yithi esinenzela lezi zinto lezi? Nina izidolo zenu abantu abaye Diamond Walk sithi ma Chinese sibathungelayo. Hamnatuwa. Ama China. Mina kudala ngawathanda ama China. Yazi mina kudala ngawathanda ama China. Akungoku. Dala ngathanda ama China. Guys, I'm joking, man. But yeah, no, I'm not the one to buy such expensive. Nah, guys, I think I've shared the story. I've bought one thing from Gucci, which was a Gucci sneaker. And it was 12,000. Was it 12,000? Round about that money. Ngasho ngathi le lifestyle. Not for me. It's nice. Then the sneaker is nice. Another thing that people don't understand is that people who wear brands, I think they don't necessarily. Let me not speak for them because I don't know why people abathanda ma brands. But for me, I feel like there are things that are so nice and you're like, oh, this is so nice, but it's so expensive. Hence the replica, because you really like it, but it's so expensive. But still, guys, it just doesn't make sense to guys, impahla on clothes. It's too much. Guys, I might as well close this vlog here and I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys on Sunday. I must stop yapping because if I continue with this vlog, I wasn't. Another thing that I wanted to ask, should I sell you guys impahla zgandosh? Not impahla, like everything from Chinese. Do you want me guys to sell you guys those things? For those who are lazy to order. Because at this point, China have given everyone the numbers. You can order directly to them, pay the customs yourself, and but if you don't want that and you say no, it's fine, get me Smack, get me Le Crusade, get me Carol Boys, get me this. If you are the one who's lazy and says no, it's fine, we too dizakubhatala khawenze apho, order those things for me, tell me. This on Odella. Guys, now I said this year I am selling. Ngasho nje ngiqala ukudayisa amaphinifa ngathi guys, if ndithengisa ipinifa, ndicela ningathi ndithengisa ipinifa kuphela, ndizoqhamuka ndithi ndithengisa ismack, ndiqhamuke ndithi ndithengisa imbiza, ndithengisa naxa ndifika nemoto zamachani iomoto ndithi ndiyazithengisa. Ndicela nithengeni guys, ngiyadayisa. So njengoba ngibuza nje ukuthi you guys want me to sell those things to you guys, hit me up. Sondayisela. Okay? Bye-bye guys. I'll see you guys next time. I love yapping. It's just that now it's in a vlog. How I wish this was live, you know? Because someone is gonna be irritated listening to me talk for 10 minutes. Nalapho ndithethe nonsense. But again, post the part. This is us catching up because andina content. No content. So I might as well sit in the car and yap. Bye guys. Bye guys. I'll see you guys on my next one. Say bye guys.
Bye.
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 See you guys on my next vlog. Excuse me. Bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Guys, my friend doesn't want to admit that she's shorter than me. This whole thing that is happening here, she just doesn't want to admit ukuthi she's shorter. And I've been telling her, Mfethu, you are shorter. Like, I'm a bit taller, not that tall, but a bit.
Booty, who's taller here? Who's taller? Hey!
I'm taller than you.
Akusicala. Hayi awukho short.
Kangaka booty. Mtsheleni ukuthi kangaka.
That's what's your problem. Ngoba mina ngibona ifokothi le phansi.
Ayakho forward.
Ngiyayibona.
How are you?
Ngiyabonga futhi. Siyabonga ne?
All right.
Thank you.
Bongani.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, would you?